You don't have anyone to speak with, but you want to practice your English? No problem. Today, I'm going to give you 6 ways to practice speaking English without a partner. If you'd like to follow along with the worksheet for this class, click the link below. So let's go. Number 1, talk to yourself. I cannot tell you how important it is for me to talk to myself in Portuguese regularly. I do this when I'm driving, sometimes when I'm in my office on my own, if I have 5 minutes to spare. And you may think, does this really work? Oh, it's so important and it's so good for you to develop your pronunciation and your flow of speaking, right? To develop the rhythm of speaking. But how can you do this? What can you talk about? You can just discuss with yourself what you did yesterday. Oh, that was so nice what I did yesterday. I went for a surf, I went to the beach, I worked a lot, I saw that series. Talk to yourself about upcoming plans. Oh, tomorrow I need to go to the bank. This weekend, I think I'm gonna go to the beach again. Ooh, I really need to finish those reports by Monday. And sometimes if you get stuck on a sentence, you can repeat and practice that sentence. There are some words I have difficulty with in Portuguese, so I just repeat to work on the muscles to help me speak better. I promise you, this is going to improve your fluency and your pronunciation a lot. Number 2, shadowing. But what's shadowing? Shadowing is when you listen to something, like listening to me here, and then you pause and you repeat something I said. For example, I'm going to go to the bank tomorrow. You pause and you repeat, oh, I'm gonna go to the bank tomorrow. You can of course do this with music as well. Sing along to a song. I found that incredibly useful when I started learning Portuguese to help me structure sentences, find the rhythm in the language, and work on the correct pronunciation and enunciation. And you can do this with your favorite series, you can do this with YouTube videos, with TikToks, whatever. It doesn't matter. Just listen and repeat to the sentences people are saying for a couple of minutes per day. It's a very good exercise specifically for pronunciation, but also it helps with listening. So what have you got to lose? Number 3, voice recording and playback. I cannot tell you the times I've listened to myself speaking Portuguese and I've realized the mistakes I make. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I made that particular mistake. I know that's a mistake. Or with the pronunciation, I can hear some of the pronunciation mistakes that I make while speaking Portuguese. So this can help you understand your mistakes, understand your difficulties, and also it's another opportunity just for you to get speaking. Number 4, AI voice assistants. Guys, if you're not using ChatGPT to have a conversation with, you don't know what you're missing. I'll give you a quick demonstration. Hey Chat, how are you doing today?
Hey there, I'm fantastic. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
I am pretty good. I want to demonstrate to some English students how I can use you to practice my English. What do you say?
That sounds like a great idea. I'd be happy to help with that. What kind of practice are you thinking of? Conversation, pronunciation, or something else?
Let's just do some basic conversation. Could you ask me a question?
Absolutely. So, what do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Well, I enjoy surfing. I enjoy playing music.
That's awesome. Surfing and playing music sound like a lot of fun. What kind of music do you like to play?
Oh, I like to play all sorts. Jazz, rock and roll, R&B. Hey Chat, thank you so much for this. I think we can wrap it up now.
You're welcome. It was great chatting with you. Have a fantastic day.
So you can see ChatGPT for free, by the way. This is not the paid version. You have about 5, 10, or 15 minutes per day that you can practice with this version. It's amazing. It's really, truly amazing. And a tool that you should be using now, today. Number 5, imitation or role playing. So for example, you could kind of pretend to be a friend of yours speaking in English, like, hey Dave, how are you today? Oh, Tim, I'm doing pretty well. Did you work today? Yes, I did. I worked all day. How's work right now? Oh, I'm kind of enjoying it. It's a little tiring sometimes, but it's pretty nice. How about you? Oh man, I'm really loving my work. I'm working on these YouTube videos. This is a really cool way to imagine conversations that you may have. Of course, you can imagine yourself in a restaurant or at the airport, at the hotel, you know, that kind of thing. Okay, number 6, the last one is tongue twisters. So you can practice tongue twisters, again, to work on pronunciation, enunciation. You could also learn some vocabulary. It's a really good exercise to do for you to improve your speaking. So one very famous example of a tongue twister in English is, she sells seashells on the seashore. I got it right. Hey, let's see if ChatGPT knows any tongue twisters. Hey Chat, could you give me a tongue twister?
Sure. How about this one? She sells seashells by the seashore.
Could you give me a different one? We already know that one.
Of course. Try this one. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
Okay, so if I close the speaking part, I actually have it written so I can read it. How can a clam cram in a clean cream? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Woo, that's a good one. So those are my 6 ways for you to practice your speaking without a partner. I guarantee that if you use these tips every single day, you will improve your speaking without question. And don't forget, there is a worksheet below the video that lists out the 6 tips so you can remember them, gives you some tongue twisters to practice, and gives you some audios for you to listen and repeat, including the tongue twisters that are on the sheet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. And if you got any questions, put them in comments below and I will answer you next time.